Oh, you can't tell those specs or what? Can't tell those specs or what? They say he'll run you. Huh? They say he'll gap you. He'll gap you. If he don't gap you, he said he'll gap you. Why you fucking up shit? You. Yeah, nigga. He's Fast Guy. Everybody know him on YouTube as Fast Guy. Yeah, he's Fast Guy. Fast Guy fucking up people's trucks, though. You doing it the right way, Bob?
Yeah, dog, I got it this time.
This time? What the hell you do last time?
Put that bitch the wrong way.
Oh, shit, Bob.
But my nigga George caught it.
Good job, Bob.
How we do that, big boy.
Nah, shut your ass up. But you just got bigger injectors?
Huh?
You just got bigger injectors now? You're about to go? Max, I want you to know right now, I do not like you. Why do you have this truck lifted 9 inches with no steps? No steps. Yeah. Where the hell is your damn steps at? Man, Nick, I'm fat. Me fat, nigga. I got belly.
Same.
Hey, Craig.
Hop in, you hopping in.
Bitch. This shit easy.
Oh, fuck.
It's easy for me. I've been doing it. Damn, niggas hot as shit in here.
Turn the back
Cleaned up.
That's why he got the Gucci shoes on?
Yeah. Look at them
right here.
Look at them hoes.
What you call those?
$250, bro.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
This a quick 700.
Don't worry, guys. He wanted to put his own caps on. We didn't make him do that.
Yeah, we sure did. We sure didn't.
We didn't make him do this.
No. Dude said we gonna scratch it.
Put your own caps on.
Do your own shit.
Do your own shit.
Pull it to the front. Pull it to the front.
To the front?
Yeah. Come on, man. You gotta get to your mom. You gotta go take it out. He's supposed to have been gone. Watch out. Oh, man. Go the other way. It rubs a little. Sweet, sweet. Turn the wheel. Well, we got another one out the door. Customer came from about 3 hours away. Came in by 8 this morning. It is now 5:30 or so, 5:30. Truck's done. It's a 7 and a 9 inch McGoys with 2414 and 35s. 35, 12, 50, 24s. We took the customer to his hotel this morning and we're about to go pick him up. Be on his way. Baldy trying to take pictures.
Get your ass out of my...
Baldy trying to take pictures and really can't take pictures.
Boy!
It's okay, bro. You'll get there one day.
That big ass dent on the front bumper.
Let's give you a little rundown of Texas weather. It's raining over there in that area over there. And on this side, it's fucking sunny. Back at the truck again. Got Emilio punk ass pulling to the stage. We got Gabe. Easy, short ass. My truck. Izzy's project. Ali. I don't know whose tin that is, but that bitch is bad. He's mad at me because I didn't come get the hood from him. Damn, that fool said fuck the hood.
Coming and bring this mother.
How you gonna be selling the car and you out here racing the car?
You wanna buy it? Come test it out.
Damn, it said 505 horsepower. You already ran? Have you won? So you ran?
I can take off 12 boys, fucking hot.
You need tires. What size are those? I can buy some 6. Send nudes. Hey, how many nudes have you gotten?
Huh?
How many nudes have you gotten? That sticker.
That was my brother's.
Your brother put that on there?
person to pull away and take the win.